You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help living disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter.
So we're done with the organization, and this is what it actually looks like. This is what you guys don't see behind the scene. Drum roll. So before I move into my filming space, actually this is the living room in my house, and I have this IKEA kallax just to kind of separate the living area from my filming space, because there is no extra room to use for my filming space. So I just decided to use this, and the living area is kind of long, so I still have kind of enough space, if you get what I'm saying. So this is what you see when you first come into my filming area. Right here I have my soft box, but it's usually not here when I'm filming. It's usually in this space here, so it's directly facing me. And here I have my ring lights. I got this from Nigeria. I brought my ring light from Nigeria, guys, whatever. So I have my ring lights here, and my tripod stand is here, and then down I just have my connection and everything. And this other one here and that other black bag there is my extra soft box. I actually got two. I got it from Amazon. This is the product I use, and it's okay. I've been using one. I've not even unboxed the other one. I've not arranged the other one. I've just been using this one ever since I started filming here. So on this side, just all the boxes on the kallax, and just gives the feeling, I don't know how to put it, but it's just like a form of decor as well, and extra storage space. So I just store random stuff. This one is even empty. I just store random stuff there actually. I think here I have my you guys can see my hand dryer. So I just store random stuff there. And then this other side I just have this that I got from B&M, and this as well from B&M. It's just random stuff again. Just random decor, just to give it a bit of life. And then I have this tree kind of thing from, I think it was from a thrift store. Yeah, I can't really remember where I got it from, honestly. Oh yeah, I got it from British Art Foundation. That's about that. And then this painting, I got this painting from Shein. I don't know why I did not even put it in a frame, but whatever. I just kind of taped it there, and yeah, I just didn't want to put any damage to the wall again, so I just left it like that. Then I have my chair here. Then this table is from IKEA as well, and it has storage spaces there. I have random stuff there, as you guys can already see. So this is my table, and on my table I have my other tripod stand there, my makeup products, palettes, and I have this mirror here. So this mirror is really good. I got this mirror from Amazon. So when I'm filming, I can easily see myself. From here, and it has LED lights as well, so it kind of reflects in my face as well, if you guys understand me. Then I have my reflector on the table, my filming book where I write my content idea and stuff, and I have my laptop here. Sometimes, most of the time, it's not always here, except when I'm doing like a Zoom call kind of thing. That's the only time I have my laptop on the table, or maybe when I'm listening to music or something. That's the only time I have this here, because it occupies space kind of. So I just kept that there for the sake of this video. And that's basically it about my filming space. I'm just going to mount my this tripod stand I have here. Sometimes when I don't want that distant look, I just mount this on the table and put my phone on it to film, rather than having the distant one, rather than having that one. So I'm just going to do like a front facing video so you guys can see what it looks like from the front. So this is what it looks like usually when I film. So sometimes when I want this background to really show, this is what I do. Let me try to mount my camera. So my phone is mounted and my chair is still directly facing my ring light. So when I want this background to really show in my videos, I just move my chair this way and I move my camera this way as well, so you can see that background and I still have my table to work on. And yeah, I just turn my ring light facing like this so you guys can see my face very well. That's basically what I do when I film my YouTube videos, Instagram videos, makeup videos, and you know, all sorts. And mind you, I use my back camera to film most of the time, so even if I don't use my back camera, you can hardly tell with an iPhone, but I still use my back camera for the very good effects and all. I'm using my front camera to film right now, and when I put this in front, to me it's looking like it's upside down, but when it comes out in the video, it brings out the actual effect, if you understand me. But this is what filming with the back camera looks like, and when I bring this close, it blurs me out and you can actually see the product well. It blurs me out in the background, which the front camera won't do, so you can see the product very well in all its glory and everything. And when I take it off, it focuses on my face back with my back camera, and I kind of think that the quality is much better than when I was filming with my front camera. And don't mind this on, it's just for the sake of this video. And one other thing that I use is this Bluetooth remote, and yeah, it just saves me the stress of going to the front and all that. And again, I'm filming with my back camera. I have this mirror, I have my mirror right in front of me. This is my mirror here, and I can easily see if the camera is actually in my face, if it's focusing or not. I can easily see it from the mirror, and if it's not, I just easily adjust it. I don't have to stand up to check in front and all of that. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this small studio, what do we call it now? So I hope you guys just enjoy how I've shown you guys my filming setup and everything I do when I'm filming my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Of emotions, sometimes I'm the light.